So sometimes you may face a computer error and you may want to have a quick support using TeamViewer, but you may not want to go ahead and then install out TeamViewer to your computer. In that case, you can simply go to teamviewer.com/apac/solutions/use-cases and quick support right here. You can go to this address and you'll have access to TeamViewer Quick Support. You can simply go ahead and quickly download out Quick Support right here by TeamViewer, and then what you can simply do is, let's say for example, open this out. So if I were to go ahead and then open out Quick Support right here, then what happens is that it will load up the application right here without even installing. So if you are supporting someone else, then you can go ahead and add in their session code and connect. But if you want to get support, then you can simply go ahead and give this particular ID to others. So that is what I'm exactly going to go ahead and do. So I'm simply going to go ahead and type in the ID on my other computer. In my case, it's 1730 right here, just like this. And then it's this 494767 right here. So now what I can do from my other computer is connected. So TeamViewer is not installed, but I just have the quick support right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and access it from their particular computer, then you can see that it says awaiting authentication. So you need to share out the password right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the password on my other computer right here so that I can go ahead and access it. And as soon as they go ahead and log on using it, you can see that it says ready to connect and secure connection. So you can see that other person can actually have access to your computer just like this. So you can see the TeamViewer right here. So you can see the ID and password. You can close the session if you want as well. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that you can get your support as you need, and you don't need to install out TeamViewer. And same goes when you want to go ahead and access out other computer as well. You can simply go ahead and enter the session code and connect. So that is how you can go ahead and use out the TeamViewer Quick Support as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.